Hi, I'm Heidi, and this is Milo. Here's what chatting in a chat booth with me at UT Girl Day is like. I usually open up the chat whenever a participant has entered the help booth, and I do that by checking the green chat button. That button will allow you to get into a line, and then whenever it's your turn in the line, then you get paired up with a representative, and then you guys can talk to each other via the chat. You can send emojis, you can send messages, and the representative, so like me, the help desk person, will be able to turn on the video chat if you want. Now you have to make sure you have a parent or guardian or adult present because that's just required. But if you want, just make sure you ask, and then we can turn on the video chat, and then we can have a normal conversation, and we can talk about your interest in engineering, any of the cool things you've been making today. We would love to talk with you about that and share things. So make sure you click the green chat button.